What's up? This is an unboxing for Dead Rising 2 Off the Record. Let's get this open. Here's the back. Whoops. Alright, it's my stand for this. Here's the back. It's co-op, just like the other one. Let's open it up. It's got the manual, the special characters, shit. And you got the game. And that's the unboxing. Thank you. Tune in for other unboxings. This is my first real one, I guess. I'll be having unboxings for, should have did for my Gears 3 Epic, but I think it's too late now. I'll be doing it for my Skyrim collectors and other games.